Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about top 9 gut health warning signs you shouldn't ignore. Your gut does more than digest food, it affects your whole body. When it's off balance, you'll feel it in surprising ways. A healthy gut moves things smoothly. You should have 1 to 2 easy, regular bowel movements without issues. Here are signs your gut needs help. 1. Frequent stomach issues. Bloating, gas, diarrhea, or constipation may indicate IBS, linked to gut bacteria imbalances. 2. Constant fatigue. Chronic fatigue often ties to gut imbalances, and many also have IBS. 3. Strong food craving. Excess sugar disrupts gut bacteria, worsening cravings. 4. Unexplained weight changes. Gut bacteria affect weight gain or loss, especially with a high-fat, high-carb diet. 5. Skin problems. Acne, eczema, and psoriasis may be tied to poor gut health. Probiotics can help. 6. Allergies. Gut imbalances may contribute to food, skin, and respiratory allergies. 7. Autoimmune issues. Certain gut bacteria might trigger autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. 8. Mood swings and anxiety. Gut health affects mood, anxiety, and depression due to the gut-brain connection. 9. Migraines. Poor gut health may link to migraines and IBS. If you notice these issues, see a doctor to rule out other causes. A naturopath or dietitian can help identify food sensitivities, bacterial imbalances, or gut infections. They may suggest removing trigger foods to let your gut heal, taking probiotics, prebiotics, and supplements for gut health, and managing stress and improving sleep for better digestion. Your gut health affects everything, take care of it, and your body will thank you. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.